One more thing which I love about this app is that the working hours are so flexible. Like there are no restrictions that you have to work for, you can say 4 hours or 5 hours a day. It's nothing like that. Hello everyone, my name is Anamika Singh and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video here, but I am back with a very great, very amazing opportunity for you all, especially for those who are looking for something to pursue as a part-time thing because they do not have that many hours to dedicate to it. And I would say this opportunity would be best for college going students, like who want something to pursue as a part-time thing so that they can get some pocket money or something like that. But this doesn't mean that full-timers cannot pursue this. Of course you can do that. And I know some of you would be already knowing about this, but a lot of you would be unaware, and I just want to share this amazing opportunity because I feel that, like, I would say this is my recent favorite app, recent favorite opportunity because the entire application process is so easy. Okay, so yes, I am talking about Filo Tutor app, Filo, Filo Tutor app. So yes, if you talk about the application procedure, so it is like really easy, and in this video I will be taking you through all the processes, how you can create your account, what all different details that you have to fill in. I will be taking you through all of that, so please stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Also, I would like to share that like I myself went through this application and registration procedure, and like if you have been aspiring for any kind of online tutoring or online teaching job, so I'm sure you would have known websites like Chegg and other sorts of teaching websites, and when you would have registered there, you would have found that entire procedure to be very complicated and it takes a lot of time, right? But if you talk about this Filo Tutor app, it is just amazing. Like seriously, the entire procedure is so quick. It can just like you can create a profile, you can do the entire registration process in just 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, that's it. And 20 to 25 minutes will be like, they are also a lot, but like sometimes we are not very prepared because we have to record our self introduction and everything. So sometimes like people who are camera conscious can take longer time, but the other procedures, submitting the details and everything, all of that is very simple. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So here you can see that I'm downloading the app from the Play Store, Filo Tutor app. Then you have to enter your phone number, right? Yes. Once you enter your phone number, so then it will send an OTP to this number. You have to wait for the OTP and just it will get autofilled. Then here is the entire job description. You can go through it. Like I would advise you to go through all of this before you make the registration here. Okay, so all the details are mentioned here, the payment, and you'll be paid on the hourly basis and everything. Then if you accept it, then they will ask your name. You have to enter your name. Then you have to select your gender, and finally your age group. Yes. So yeah, now it's done. Now you have to fill in your educational qualifications if you've completed or you're undergoing, and you have to also mention the university or institute from where you're pursuing your educational qualification, a particular type of course. Yes, then here they will ask about the teaching experience, like whether you're a fresher, you're a student, you're not employed, or anything like that. And they also ask about the prior teaching experience, so you have to fill accordingly. Then you have to select the devices which you are going to use for teaching. So here you have 3 options: smartphones, tablets, laptop. So you can select accordingly. Yeah, then you have to select the languages in which you will be comfortable in teaching. And you have to select the language in which you are the best, like you are the most fluent in that language. And this is the language which you can teach, like other curriculums. Yes, so here you can see my, initial steps are completed. Now here comes the, updating the information. So here are 4 steps. First one is update personal information. So if you click onto it here, there's your name. You have to add profile picture. So make sure you are adding a very professional kind of profile picture. Yes, that's done. Then you have to upload your government ID. So I'm choosing the PAN number. You can, either choose the Aadhaar number or the PAN number. And you have to, enter the number as well as the photo.
Then here you have to select the topics which you will be comfortable in teaching. Yeah. So there are 3 options, as you can see. And you can select either one of them. You cannot select all. Then here you can select the subjects which you would like to teach. There's English also, there's maths, and there are these 3 subjects of science as well. Yes, when you're done, you have to just select the key done and what kind of exam preparation you would like to give. Then the last thing is recording the video introduction. So you have to basically record the entire video. Okay, there are going to be 2 things. So first you have to record your self-introduction where you have to, place the camera in front of you, and then you have to just answer the question, tell me something about yourself. Okay, and you can say the second thing which you have to do is record a video solution. So one important tip that I would like to give you all is that make sure that you are explaining the question while writing. Like while you're recording the video solution. So you have to write it in the pen and paper with the help of pen and paper, and you have to, verbally say it also. So yes, these are the 2 steps which will come under video record, record video introduction. So yes, here you can see your introduction, and second one is problem solving. So they're going to give you any kind of problem which is in the, format of MCQ, but you have to, explain it. So here you can see I have completed all the 4 steps, and now I have to wait for just 48 hours for my profile to get, you can say approved. So
one more thing which I love about this app is that the working hours are so flexible. Like there are no restrictions that you have to work for, you can say 4 hours or 5 hours a day. It's nothing like that. For example, if on Monday you are very, like you have a very busy schedule and you're swamped up with work of all sorts, so it's okay. You can, either skip working or you can just work for an hour or 2, like according to yourself. But for example, on Tuesday, you have a lot of, free time. So you can work as long as you want. So this is, I would say, the best because it gives you the freedom of, working of how many hours you want to. So that was all about the entire application and registration process on the Filo Tutor app. And if you'd like to know more about it, if you'd like to know how does it works and how you can teach, how do you like receive calls on it, and what is the, you can say, payment, how you can take the payment and everything, so you could just comment down below, let me know. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update, because I keep sharing amazing opportunities. So yeah, that was all about today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.